Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to upgrade this PC that was just going to be recycled. It is fully working. I just got to do some upgrades and try to make it better for selling. So it has an i7-3770 CPU, 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. I'm going to upgrade it to 12 gigs of G.Skill RAM and a 40GB Kingston SSD, as well as put in this 550 watt Thermaltake power supply. So I started spraying it here, thinking I can get away with just doing like this. But if you want to get everything, it's good to remove anything that is loose or can come out. So that's why I removed these covers here at this time. I should have done it ahead of time, but it's okay. It's not too late now, so it worked out fine. Now I'm going to start the arduous journey of cleaning all the thermal paste, the dust, cleaning every fan, making it look fresh and clean like this. Just to make it look as nice as possible, as what I can with this one without replacing the whole case. We're trying to keep this as budget friendly as possible. As of right now, there has been no cost. So I just had, so there's an extra 2 terabyte drive for storage. Adding the SSD, then adding the RAM. So far the only cost was the paint and the clear coat that I did buy. The paint was $14, the clear coat was $12. This power supply I also had it just around, you know, these extra parts that you accumulate over time. So I'm gonna just connect everything here. Everything that's needed, all the front I/O and everything. So the only thing that I actually did go buy component wise was this GTX 970 for $30 on Marketplace. So this is the finished product. It's not great. I used 220 grade sandpaper. I should have used 320, but I just didn't have any, so there is some scratches. But it does look not bad. It's alright. I'm gonna distract it with a couple stickers as well. But it looks better for sure, you know, I don't know. I just gives it a different look. So here I'm just gonna plug everything in, and then we'll do a test. So this is for the moment of truth, see if it boots up. So as you can see, I added some stickers here that I got from, I don't know, these are some Acer stickers. So it did post, which is awesome. So I did what I could with the wiring here. So you see it zip tied and stuff. Just try to get everything out of the fan, out of the way as much as possible. You're very limited what you can do. So this is the finished product here. We installed Windows 10, and these are all the specs here. I forgot to record the end of the benchmark, and to be honest, this computer has already been sold, but it is running on high 1080p settings here, and it's averaging about 80 FPS. And here's the finished product. See, there's a little scratches there a little bit, but overall it held up pretty decent. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.